Are you ready to revolutionize your kitchen and save tons of time? Today, we're diving into the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9in1, your ultimate culinary game changer. This isn't just a pressure cooker. It's an incredible 9-in-1 multi-cooker, combining everything from slow cooking and rice making to yogurt and sautéing, freeing up so much counter space. Imagine making delicious meals with just the press of a button. No extensive cleanup needed afterwards. With 15 customizable programs, whipping up perfect dishes like soups, stews, cakes, or even eggs is incredibly simple, taking the guesswork out of cooking. What truly makes the Duo Plus special are its enhanced features, offering an intuitive display and even more precise control for every single dish you prepare. And say goodbye to sticky messes. The durable stainless steel inner pot ensures easy cleanup and healthy cooking for years, a true investment for your home. If you're looking to buy the best kitchen upgrade of 2025, one that truly simplifies your life and elevates your meals, then this Instant Pot model is it. Ready to transform your cooking experience? You can find the best deal on the Instant Pot Duo Plus right now via the Amazon link in my description below. Don't miss out. This smart kitchen essential is a must-have for busy individuals and aspiring home chefs alike.